Hello everybody. Got 2 birds up today. It's now 6:30. These have been out since 3 o'clock. They're actually it's a print hen and an odd pilot print that never ever drops to the light, so I don't put him up with the others. And the print hen bird was paired to the pilot cockbird. Got 1 baby off that, and now I'm going to put they're due to come down anyway, and she's just seen me. So just before they're due to drop, and I know that they're going to drop, I made sure the droppers are out. 20 minutes ago they were sky high, but yeah. He'll have his fun with her now. That's okay, because yeah. Droppers can flap about. I'm actually coming into squeakers out. Squeakers, I ain't said that for a long while, since racing pigeons. Oh, just knocked me on the head then, didn't I? Come on. Come on. And you. Come on, turn around. Turn around. I like them to get used to the stick, because I obviously use the stick to bring them back in, don't I? Just shut that down and go outside. Got a bit of breed and weaning here. Lost count how many days there. I've only been weaned about 3 days, haven't I? Come on. Something's gone up. That's the cockbird, isn't it? Oh, the cockbird's gone back up. That's okay, that's why I let him out. I let him out so that I can fly. If they're flying when one of these babies go up, with a bit of luck they'll just bring them. The old birds will bring the baby back down. Come on. Look at them all looking at that bird fly and thinking, what's that in the air? It's a pigeon. Come on. Here he comes. Will you come down? Give him a clap, look. Come on. Come on. First day outside the wire. Only weaned them, what, 2 or 3 days ago? But they're already too strong. Come on. He's still up there, look. Come on. He probably mounted that print hen and then flew up, I reckon, didn't he, while I was in the shed. Is he going to come down? Clapping around like a widowhood cockbird. Cockbird probably just mounted that print. Typical print bird, isn't it? Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. They're not really starving hungry. They're not darting about the loft like these droppers are. Come on. Dropper's having a good time, isn't he? Come on. See if we can get a young bird over to the other shed. Come on. Come on. Come here, old boy. Blue grizzle. Pilot cross print. Just does not like dropping in the dark to the loft. that been 10 minutes? Come on. Come on. 10 minutes, all in. Get these droppers back out. Without young birds. Come on. Right, it went bad, got them all out. Just gonna put these droppers away. And I'll probably repeat that again later on. Give it a little bit of time. Come on. Six. These 4. Come on. Right, got to catch them ones up. Feed everybody. Put the lights on and feed everybody. Look, I all want some food. Let's catch them 2 old birds. Come on. Bird. There's a hen. Right. Today's water. Right, gonna feed these up. There's the blue hen. That last 10 last night I had to drop these. This is a bit mad, I was in and out like a yo-yo watching them. Goggle boxes on the telly. Watched that till 10, then I came outside and dropped these. Okie doke. Thanks for watching. Give us a thumbs up or a thumbs down, whatever. And we'll see you in the next one.